Hi everyone, today's video is going to be about Btrade Automated, getting to know their interface 2019. Let's go. How y'all doing? This is Speedy from Instock Trading, and in today's video we going to get know the interface of Btrade Automated, the most highly anticipated auto trading software of 2019. But before all that, if this is your first time watching a video in my channel but you would like to know more day trading, best softwares to trade with, scam softwares not to trade with, or other money making softwares, do not forget to hit the like button for this video and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming. Welcome to the interface of the most highly anticipated auto trading software of 2019, the Btrade Automated. Guys, as you can see, this is the interface of Btrade Automated. After a long wait, after so many anticipation, I have personally signed in into the Btrade Automated and deposit 500 USD. As you can see over here, my name is over here as username, my client ID is over here, and the account balance is 500 USD. Keep in mind guys, this is not the minimum amount required to activate your Btrade Automated software. The minimum amount usually revolves around 250 USD depending on your location, but I deposited 500 USD. There's a reason for this. A lot of people email me and ask me, why are you nowadays any software that you use or you test, you deposit 500 USD or 1000 USD, not the minimum amount. Remember guys, the initial amount is very crucial in order to make more money in a very short term. That is our purpose, right? Make more money in a short term. If that is your purpose, then initial deposit is very important. Why am I saying this? Is because every trades that you execute, let it be auto trading software or manual trading software, every trade that you execute should not, the amount should not go more than 10% of your initial deposit. So in order to make more money, in order to make bigger trades, you have to have a bigger initial deposit. So the broker assigned to me for this particular Btrade software is the Plus 500. This is the interface of Plus 500. As you can see over here, I have the balance available for me is 500 USD. The Plus 500 is a regulated broker, guys. They have been authorized and licensed by the financial conduct authorities, and most of the brokers offered by Btrade Automated are reliable, trustworthy, and regulated. So you don't worry. You might not be able to get Plus 500, or you might not be get any brokers that you want, because the Btrade Automated actually chooses for you the ideal, the best the best broker and the ideal broker for you according to your current location. So for me, my ideal is Plus 500. You might get some other brokers, but all the brokers are reliable and trustworthy, guys, so don't worry. Now let's talk about the features that available in the software itself. So the features that interest me most is, can you see over here showing page 1 out of 35? That means there is actually 35 pages of assets, guys. So the amount of assets available is huge, guys. This pay ways for you to have variety of choices in choosing your assets. The other features that interest me is over here. As you can see, guys, can you see over here that you can actually type in the amount, and it does not give you a fixed amount that you use to trade. You can actually type in any amount that you want, any amount that you can trade. You can even trade $16, you can even trade $5 or $10, something like that. There is no minimum amount, and also there is no a fixed amount. And over here, as you can see, it is a graph. Usually this is been provided by a lot of auto trading softwares, guys. So the graph, so I don't know what is wrong with this graph over here. Let's just let me just show you one some of the graphs over here. Yeah, this has a very good confidence factor, USD CAD, And yeah, as you can see, the graph is over here with the candlesticks and all. So this is actually you don't need to use this when you can already press a chart over here and see the graph for yourself. The next feature that I like is over here. Can you see the call or the put button? And can you see even the assets is over here, and the confidence factor just changed, and the call or the put button just changed. This means, guys, this confidence factor and this signals has been constantly updating by itself, which is very important, guys, because it's not a fixed signal. It is constantly updating time to time, which is very important for us. As you can see, why I said I like this call or put signal a lot is because previously, for the softwares that I've been using, let it be Maximus, let it be Callaway, a lot of people were experiencing syncing issues, and they were asking me how to perform manual trades. Like in Callaway software, they are confused whether to put it call or put it put if they have a syncing issues. So using this, you can actually, it's much more easier for you to perform manual trades. And this is the next feature that I like the most. As you can see over here, the confidence factor, guys. The confidence factor is something that very interesting. It's because it's very simple. Once just you all you got to do is click and look at it. It is a percentage, 90%, 100%, the strength, so you know that it is reliable. A lot of people did not like the Calaways. The Calaway had some kind of graph meters, so they did not like it. They prefer the confidence factor as it is much more easier. But if you can see the interface, the confidence factor, many people would be asking me this question: why does it looks very similar? Why does the interface and the confidence factor, we have seen it before, is it the same just like the other auto trading software? The answer is no, guys, it's not the same. Let me explain to you why this interface and this confidence factor stuff like that are similar. It's because of one thing, guys. They use for example, if I create an auto trading software, I use a coding for an interface. Once that interface is planted in somebody's head, and that interface is like, let it be this interface, for example. This interface is very simple to use, and confidence factor is very simple to use. So this interface will be adapted by other auto trading companies who wants to use it. This happens everywhere, guys. For let me give you another example. If you guys know about WordPress website building, in WordPress, there is something called theme, where you will be offered a lot of themes and you can choose that particular theme. And there is certain themes which is very popular. For an example, Ocean WP is a very popular theme. So in this Ocean WP, a lot of people use this Ocean WP as a theme and build their websites surrounding this Ocean WP. But their websites contents and everything would be in individual perspective, would be very different. How can you say a tourism website? It could be a tourism website, it could be a sport website, it could be a total different content, but using the same theme. So can you say both of it is the same? No, you couldn't say. So this is the example that I can give you on telling you why is the interface and the confidence factor all look correct. So I think that is the end of today's video. In next videos, I will try to make a live trade and show you how effective is the performance of this auto trading software 2019 Btrade Automated. Stay tuned. We have reached to the end of today's video, guys. If you have any question regarding today's video, you can drop us a comment below, just below this video, or you can email us at apsocialhouse@outlook.com. Don't forget, you can also private message us in our Facebook page, InStock Trading. We have a website, www.instocktrading.com. Do drop by if you have the time to do so. This is PD from InStock Trading, guys. Remember to always invest safely.